In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings on the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heroes Olden Era game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. In order to customize your control settings, just go into the menu icon at the top right, from which you can click on Settings. Now, within the Settings page, if you go all the way to the right at the top, you will see the hotkeys option. This lists the control layout for everything within your game. You can assign up to 2 different buttons for some categories of controls. In order to assign a new option, just click on the blank space. And when you are prompted to enter a new hotkey, you can simply press your desired button and then click on Accept. If you already have a button that is assigned and you wish to change it into a new one, just click the already assigned button. Then you can directly press the new button once again and click on Accept to change this as well. Once you are done customizing all of your keys, make sure to click on the Accept button to save your changes. After this, you can go back and continue to play your game with your customized controls. In order to change it, you can once again follow the same steps by going into Settings, Hotkeys, and you can reset to default as well, or once again customize your buttons. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.